Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what have we got for you today? Well, what we've got is an absolutely gorgeous pen for your viewing pleasure. Now, this pen came to me from a customer of mine by the name of Judith. Now, I love a little story regarding this pen. Judith said to me, she said that she was helping a friend to move house, and what they actually did, they actually went to do a car boot sale to sell lots of the household goods that they were getting rid of. And she said while she was there helping with a friend, she said she had a look round the car boot and came across this pen, and she actually said she bought it for £10, and she said she would have haggled, but she wasn't very good at haggling. Oh dear, what a great story. Well, Judith, if I could find these pens for £10, I'd buy many of them. So, well, to be quite fair with you, Judith, you've done very well buying this pen at £10. Now, as I said, she sent it to me to have it sort of, well, not restored. It was quite good. It just had normal scratching. We've removed scratching. The clip was slightly bent. We've straightened that out. And with all these pens, the top of the cap there and the section was slightly discoloured. So we've polished all the discolouring out. And basically what we've done, we've rejuvenated the pen. So the pen will be going back to Judith today as a lovely, beautiful pen. So what we've got is a Conway Stewart 388. For you eagle-eyed viewers, you'll know that, well, quite a number of years ago I actually reviewed the same pen, so I'm going to try and keep it nice and short. I just thought it was a lovely story which I thought I'd share with you. But as I say, it's a Conway Stewart 388. It's a slightly later version which I'm dating 1950s. The size of it from the top of the cap to the end of the barrel, around about 126mm capped. Around the barrel, it's just a tad over 10mm in diameter. As you can see, comes in this beautiful, this is what they termed as the mauve. It's like a pinkish sort of rose marbling colour, but they termed it as a mauve colour. You can see it comes with gold plated trim. So it has the gold plated Conway Stewart lever there with a Conway Stewart logo to the end of the lever. If we show you the cap bands there, you can see it's got two narrow cap bands on each side with a slightly broader one to the middle, and the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip there with the Conway Stewart diamond logo to the top. There's a sideways view for you, and as I said, to the very top there we've got this nice, now it's nice black cone top to the top of the cap there, and to the end of the barrel, that's also, it's a flat end, but it's also black, as you can see. As I said, I've just literally sort of spruced the pen up. It's in lovely condition now. We've put a new sack in it, obviously. Let's show you the barrel imprint. What I've done, I've slightly highlighted the barrel imprint because it's rather difficult to see on these pens, but you can see it says Conway Stewart 388, and then nice and clearly underneath you can see it says made in England. So all in all, a gorgeous pen. So well done, Judith. You've got yourself an absolutely bargain at £10, and I hope you're happy with how it's turned out for you. Let's show you a couple of twirls, the customary twirls, show you different angles of the pen. The section to the top there, as I said, it was slightly discoloured when I received it. We've given it a good polish. The section's got a slight taper towards the nib. If we keep it nice and still, you can see it's got the Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib. There's a sideways view for you. And if we turn it over, there you go, as always, you can see the feed, everything has been cleaned as it should be. So it's all ready to go, all ready for Judith to have many years of nice, pleasurable writing. A lovely size of pen. Repeating, I've got large hands and it's a nice comfortable pen for me to hold. Okay, now what I'm going to do, because I can hear you all shouting, I'm not going to ink the pen up because, as I say, it's going back to the customer today. But to fill the pen, what we do, we dip the nib and a little bit of the section in the ink, and if I can find it, we get the lever and we pull the lever up like so. In fact, let's show you the lever as a close-up there. There you go. And then once it's in the ink, we just simply pop it back, sort of lock it back into place, and that fills the pen. But what I'm going to do, I'm just simply going to dip test it, because it's just been finished, and obviously, you know, we want to make sure everything's hunky-dory. Let's dip it again. So we've got Conway Stewart, this one being the 388 from the 1950s. Also made in England. As you'd expect from the Conway Stewart nibs, it's a very nice writer, writing with, I would say a fine line. I wouldn't say it has any flexibility, as you can see there. It's quite a hard nib, but a lovely writer, and as we can see there, writing with a lovely fine line and writing very nicely indeed. So let's put the ink to one side. As I said, I'm going to try and keep it short because you people know I will chat away and chat away, but there we have it. An absolutely gorgeous mauve Conway Stewart 388 from the 1950s. This is a slightly later version in beautiful condition, and well, I hope you enjoy your pen, Judith. As you can see now, it's been rejuvenated, lovely condition, new sack, so you'll have many years of pleasurable writing. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you people out there enjoy looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy, and have you subscribed? If not, why not? Subscribe now, and if you possibly can, please support my work. But for now, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.